What's good, everyone? This is Florida Transit and Things, back with another video. And today we're at Downtown Clearwater. Here comes CSX L791 coming from Yeoman Yard, and it's passing through the street runner. Right there is the locomotive. It's going really slow. So I'm at the crossing. This is a no train horn zone, so we won't be getting any horn action, which is kind of a disappointment. But it is what it is. We can't change any of it. Any minute now. I don't got all day. Oof, it's really windy. Here it comes. Almost there. There it is. Engine 2039 GP38-3. Alright, that will be it for today. So thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.